How to delete or uninstall apps on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel 9 Pro Fold. In this tutorial, I will show you 3 different methods. Let's see one by one. In first method, open app drawer on your device. Long press any application you want to uninstall or remove. Tap on app info. Long press the app. Tap on app info. Now you can see uninstall option. Tap on it. You can see pop-up. Do you want to uninstall this app? Tap on OK to uninstall the app on your device. In second method, go to home screen. Long press any app you want to remove and move it to uninstall at the top. Tap on uninstall. Here you can see pop-up. Tap on OK to uninstall the app. And the last method you can use is the Play Store. Go to Play Store. Tap on a profile icon at the top right corner. Manage apps and device. Tap on manage. Now here you can see list of all installed application on your device. Just select the application you want to remove. Here we select this application. When select, you can see trash icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now you can see uninstall selected apps. Tap on uninstall. Now you can see 2 apps uninstall. So quite easy to uninstall or delete apps on your Google Pixel 9 series and other Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.